guys, I'm Istianah and Najibah and I'm from English Department, Islamic State University of Wali Songo, Semarang. And now I want to tell you how to use hot potatoes. Okay, this is hot potatoes, and here they have 5 options for make offline quiz, and I want to choose J quiz. After you click the J quiz, you will find this, and I will write my title about my question here. This is about grammar, and in here you can write your question. After that, you can write the answer in A, B, C, or D, whatever you want, but make sure that one of them is the correct answer. And give the checklist mark in the correct answer like this. After that, just save your quiz. And if you want see your offline quiz on a website, you can look at create web page and standard format, save, and view the exercise in my browser like this. Then if you want to show your answer or choose your answer, you can click one of them, and I will click this one, and the result of your question in here. Okay guys, that's all of me. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.